In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Hostinger affiliate program in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and explore the steps you need to take to start partnering with Hostinger and earning affiliate commissions. First, begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Hostinger's website. Hostinger is a popular hosting provider that offers a range of services to help bring your ideas online, from simple website construction to complex hosting solutions. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you'll want to familiarize yourself with their offerings before proceeding with signing up for the affiliate program. Next, scroll down the Hostinger homepage until you spot the link to their affiliate program. Hostinger provides a great opportunity for you to earn commission through your website or blog by promoting their services, and this is where you start bridging that gap. You'll typically find the affiliate program link towards the bottom of the page, so don't hesitate to explore the site if it's not immediately visible. Now click on the link that says affiliate program. This will take you to a dedicated page that gives more information about the program, including the type of commissions you can earn and other benefits. Hostinger's affiliate program is renowned for its competitive commissions and vast array of supporting resources, making it a lucrative choice for many. On this page you should see an option that reads Access Affiliate Platform. Selecting this will guide you to the next crucial step in becoming part of Hostinger's affiliate network. When you click on Access Affiliate Platform, you'll be directed to the Hostinger affiliate portal. If this is your first time, you'll need to create an account, but if you've already signed up, you can simply log in with your existing details. For those of you setting up a new account, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information such as your name, email address, and other relevant details. Remember, making sure all your personal information is accurate and up to date is essential, as it ensures you receive timely compensation for your referrals. After inputting your information, proceed to log into your new affiliate account. Once logged in, you'll have access to a dashboard where you'll find important features like your affiliate link, earning statistics, marketing materials, and more. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with its tools and resources to effectively promote Hostinger services. That's it, you are now successfully part of the Hostinger affiliate program. By following these steps, you can start leveraging their resources to potentially increase your online income. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide helps you in your affiliate marketing journey. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy promoting!